Welcome to IMC Krems. My name is Uwe Rinner. I'm head of the Institute of Applied Chemistry. I'm also leading the bachelor and the master program here in the area of chemistry. I'm very happy to show you what we have. We are here in our laboratory that's used for general chemistry and also for organic chemistry. You will spend quite some time here learning fascinating things. What you see here at this station is a distillation apparatus. I'm sure that most of you have already seen distillation. That's a very crucial technique to separate two liquids which have different boiling points. Purification is an essential part of chemistry and of every experiment. What you see here is recrystallization. If you want to purify a solid compound, recrystallization is the method of choice and also one of the really important tools when it comes to industrial processes. Now let's look at this fascinating setup. That's the typical setup that you expect in any organic lab, where you boil liquids which react under different conditions while we're adding some other reagents. Some compounds are very air sensitive, and if you work with those compounds, you need to work under protective atmosphere. During our lab exercises, you will be prepared to handle those very sensitive compounds and work under protective gas atmosphere.
My name is Yolanda Salinas. I am professor for polymer and materials chemistry, and I'm very happy today to show you a real in-life session of the laboratory course of analytical chemistry. Join me to feel like a student in one of the laboratory sessions.
Today what we are working is photometry. So what we had was the 3 different dyes what we are measuring, and we are measuring the maximum absorbance, the maximum lambda first, and then the maximum absorbance of the different dyes. We are making 5 dilution between the absorbance of 100% and 5%, and we are measuring that, and then we're gonna make a calibration spectrum at home, and then based on that we're gonna do the concentration of the dyes we received today.
That was it from here, and now we move to the next laboratories where we have all the instrumental analysis devices, where our colleague is waiting for us.
Hello everyone, welcome to our short laboratory room that is dedicated to the instrumental analysis. My name is Anna Melchenko. I'm lecturer and researcher at chemistry program at IMC Krems. I'm a professor of analytical chemistry, and I'm looking forward to showing you around in this laboratory room equipped with state-of-the-art devices. Now you can see here the HPLC device, high performance liquid chromatograph. By means of this device we will do many different experiments with you. For example, we will analyze food samples, beverages for the caffeine content, pharmaceutical analysis or different medical products. We will check them for the impurities. Each of you will learn to operate this software and to perform the data analysis. These devices are typically used for the water analysis. We will analyze with you different water samples, tap water, mineral water, or the water from Danube, for example. We will check what ions are present in these water samples. By means of these devices, we will also analyze with you vegetables on the nitrate content and the fertilizers, and then we will compare it with the reference values typical for these particular plants or for this fertilizer. Now we are standing next to the mass spectrometer. This is a device that I would say that the cherry on the top, because it allows us to identify the compound. We will learn with you how to do the experiment by means of this mass spectrometer. For example, we can analyze different spices. We can also perform the pesticide analysis or determine some fungicides on the peel of some citrus fruits and so on. What is special and unique about the program is that each of you will learn how to operate the devices that we have. Each of you will have this experience and you will learn the procedure from A to Z.
Here where we stand right now is a laboratory where we are gonna give you the opportunity to do laboratory courses during the master studies, and we are fully equipped with all the new advances, techniques and devices. For example, we have a synthesizer, that is an instrument that allows us to measure the hydrodynamic diameter of particles. We also have an MR that allows us to characterize organic compounds, and also FTIR spectrometer. And now we are back to our program director, who is going to tell you more information about the master program.
In the program Sustainable Chemistry and Digital Processing, you are going to learn and experience a lot of those things related to our environment. you will get these assets in all different fields of chemistry, and our courses and lectures are organized in such a way that you see the connection between the different fields of chemistry. And that's a very important thing, because interdisciplinary thinking is a crucial asset for every chemist. I hope you enjoyed our little online tour. If you have any further questions, me and the team are very happy to help in any way. Application is easy, and I hope to see you here in the future.